Let's talk about the heavy-duty equipment technician career path and how to prepare for your certification exam with confidence. If you're stepping into this trade, you already know it's one of the most respected roles in the mechanical world. You keep dozers, graders, excavators, loaders, and massive diesel equipment running safely and efficiently. That's exactly why certification matters. It proves you can diagnose issues, repair advanced systems, and make the right decisions when expensive equipment is on the line. The exam usually includes 100 to 150 multiple-choice questions, and you get 3.5 to 4 hours to complete it. The questions are based on real-world scenarios, diagrams of hydraulic systems, electrical schematics, diagnostic scans, and engine timing charts. The exam follows National Occupational Standards, defining the skills a technician must perform on the job, meaning your study plan should reflect the work you do every day. Most people study 3 to 6 months before the exam. The best approach is to break your study into sections: diesel engines, hydraulics, electrical and electronics, braking systems, powertrain, safety, diagnostics, and troubleshooting. Slow, consistent study helps you build long-term understanding. If you haven't studied in years, don't worry. Many candidates feel the same. Small, steady habits work best. Review diagrams before bed, watch a short clip at lunch, or read troubleshooting examples after work. Your hands-on experience is your biggest advantage. Real-world repairs connect directly to the exam. Certification opens doors. Many technicians move into supervisory roles, become inspectors, shop leads, fleet managers, trainers, or start their own repair services. Some land higher-paying jobs with government fleets or large construction companies. And as the industry evolves with telematics, smart diagnostics, and hybrid machinery, certification shows you can adapt and grow. If you're preparing for your exam, don't go it alone. At journeymanstudyguide.com, you'll find Q&A books, explanation-style guides, and online timed practice tests that simulate the real exam. They won't guarantee a pass, but they help you study smarter, stay organized, and build confidence. Available as instant downloads for phone or tablet. Remember, you're not alone. Thousands of tradespeople take this exam every year. Mature learners, new Americans, returning workers, and more women entering and excelling in the field. Take your time. Stay consistent. Use the right tools. Trust your experience. You're closer to earning your heavy-duty equipment technician certification than you think.